Good afternoon, everyone, and I'm Miss Christie, and I've picked out a bunny book to read to you today. And our story is called Pete the Cat, Five Little Bunnies by Kimberly and James Dean. One night, Pete was bunny sitting five little bunnies when all of a sudden, five little bunnies hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Pete called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more bunnies hopping on the bed." So if we had five bunnies and one bunny fell off, how many do we have? You're right, four. Four little bunnies hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Pete called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more bunnies hopping on the bed." So we have four bunnies. One fell off. Now we have three little bunnies hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Pete called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more bunnies hopping on the bed." So how many bunnies do we have now? We had three. One fell off. If you said two, you're right. Two little bunnies hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Pete called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more bunnies hopping on the bed." One little bunny hopping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Pete called the doctor, and the doctor said, "Put those bunnies straight to bed." So Pete and the five little bunnies hopped right into bed. And that's our story of Pete the Cat, Five Little Bunnies. And to go along with our story, I have a little bunny craft that we are going to make using our hand. All right. So what you'll need for this activity is a piece of paper, pencil, something to color with, and some scissors. And just like Miss Kim yesterday talked about tracing around shapes, today we're going to trace around our hand. So you're going to put the hand on your paper that you don't write with. I write with my left hand, so I'm going to put my right hand on my paper. And then I'm going to trace around it. So you can go ahead and trace around your hand on your paper. And once you're done tracing around your hand, you're going to grab your scissors and you're going to cut it out. Be careful not to cut any of the fingers off that you traced around. Now, as you're cutting, you can use your hand that doesn't have the scissors in and rotate your paper to help you cut around those fingers, because it can be tricky. But that's what that other hand is for, to help you rotate the paper. Right. So you should be finishing up your hands. Mine takes a little longer. I have a bigger hand. All right. And once you're all finished cutting out, you should have a hand. Then you can crumble up your scraps, make it into a ball. Put that off to the side. And then you're going to take your hand and you're going to find your thumb and your pinky, and you're going to fold them down diagonally. to make an X. And you're going to crease those fingers down. All right. So it looks like your bunny's giving itself a little hug. Next, you're going to grab your pencil and draw some eyes. I'm going to draw 2 circles for my eyes. All right, and then make sure you put a little nose on your bunny and a mouth. Don't forget about his whiskers. Then you can get your crayons out to color in your eyes and your nose. I'm going to color my nose pink. And my eyes are black. So here's what my bunny looks like so far. Does he look like a bunny though? We're missing one step because bunnies only have 2 ears. So we need to get rid of one of our fingers up here. Which one do you think we should get rid of? This one? This one? Or this one? The one in the middle, you're right. So you can take your scissors and you're going to cut the one off in the middle. Now you have 2 bunny ears. All right. And to add some detail to our bunny ears, you're going to draw 2 little ovals, 1 in each ear, and then you can color that in. I'm going to color mine in pink. You can choose whatever color you want to color yours in. And that represents the inside of the bunny's ears. And the last step of our bunny is you're going to find the bottom of your bunny and you're going to draw 2 semicircles. And that's going to make your bunny's feet. Right? Just like something like that. And if you want, you can draw 2 little lines inside your semicircle to represent his toes. All right? And that completes your little bunny that can give a hug. You could give this bunny to someone special to brighten their day, or you could even make more bunnies and recreate the story and make your own bunny story. I hope you enjoyed this little bunny craft. And if you'd like to post a picture of your bunny in the comments below, I would love to see your little bunnies. Have a great rest of your day.